SB19 is back at number 1 in quarterfinals pero widen the gap, wag pa kampante. Yes, you heard it right. We are now back at number 1. Naungusan na po natin ang ating kalaban with 50.5% and with a gap of 2.2 million votes in favor of SB19 as of 10 p.m. Pero wag pong mapakampante, magbagsak pa din ang mga boto dahil we still have 2 hours to go before quarterfinal ends. Tandaan na marami pa pong pwedeng mangyari sa loob ng 2 oras. Sinimulan natin to, tatapusin natin to. With great determination and unity, lahat ay posible. Siguradong sa pinapakita natin ngayon, mas nagiging curious pa ang international fandoms kung sino ang SB19 at ang monster voters nitong fandom na 18. Kaya please wag mo nang huminto sa pagboto, not until we've secured our spot on the semifinals.